All right, boys and girls, so we are continuing this week. You'll see that we are in our science course. However, we're going to continue learning more about the government. You see our essential question here, how is the government organized? And also, what is the purpose of the government? So this week, we're really going to focus on the three branches of government and the responsibilities and who leads each of those three branches. We're also going to talk about the three levels of government. So these are two different things. This week we are working in week 3 of Social Studies Weekly. So we go into the Monday folder. You are going to log into Social Studies Weekly through your single sign-on just like you did last week. You're going to open up week 3 when you get there on your screen, and you're going to read this section labeled Our Government. After you read that section, you are going to watch a short video. Again, it's located like right up here in the upper right corner after you read this section. It's going to give you a little bit more information about our government. Let's go into Tuesday's folder. Again, you're going to log in and you are going to read this section of the article. This section's a little bit longer, guys, so make sure you give yourself enough time. Really slow down and pay close attention to the information you're reading in this section about government functions. It's going to tell you a little bit more about the government and the responsibilities of the different areas of government. There's also a video, again, that you're going to watch up in the upper right corner after you've read this section. So that's pretty much the reading that you're going to do about the government. And there is one more thing. It's very short. It's just a couple pages long, but it's in your large reading textbook. So that green one that you guys picked up over summer, and it's pages 284 to 287. It's going to give you a little bit more information about those three branches of government and also who the founding fathers are. So you're going to learn a little bit more about our founding fathers and also the three branches. You're going to watch this video, which will give you just a good representation and a visual of those three branches of government. And finally, this video here. So this is something a little bit different. So far, we focused a lot on the three branches of government, but now we're going to talk about the three levels. It's confusing because the number 3, right? It's in both of these. However, this is going to talk about your federal, state, and local government. And yes, this is about Georgia. So it's not referring to Florida, but I think the woman in this video does a really good job of giving a clear, sorry, that's the bell. Sorry about that interruption. I think she does a really great job giving you information about the role and responsibility of each of those levels of government and their expectations and what basically they oversee in the different areas they're in charge of. So after you watch this video, then you're going to go down here. We're actually going to talk about this project more on Tuesday during our live meeting, but you have 3 days, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, to work on this project. Please do not do anything too crazy. This should not be like a stressful thing. This should be fun. And you get to choose which type of project you want to do. Maybe you want to do a poster board. Maybe you would like to do a trifold. Maybe some of you would like to do a PowerPoint. Some of you really enjoyed doing PowerPoints before. So I'm going to leave it up to you which type of project you'd like to do. But you're going to open this document. Again, we will go through this more, but it's going to focus on information about the three branches of government as well as the three levels of government. So if you have any questions about social studies this week, please let me know. Again, we will talk more on Tuesday in regard to your project.